Hazrat Ibn Sirin reports that a man said to his lodger, "Embark on a journey, and if I will not be able to join you on such and such day, I will give you 100 dirhams." But he does not go. So Qazi Shureh said, "Whosoever willingly imposes any conditions on himself without any coercion, it will stand implemented." Ayyub reports from Ibn Sirin that a man sold the corn and the purchaser said, "If I do not come to you on Wednesday, our transaction will stand annulled." But he does not come on Wednesday. Qazi Shureh said to the purchaser, "You have ranged on your promise," and then issue decree against him. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Undoubtedly there are 99 names of Allah, one less than 100. Whosoever memorizes them will enter paradise." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2736.